If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform these bathroom accessories into these lovely glamorous Chanel drip rhinestone embellished accessories, keep watching this video.
Hey YouTube! So today in this video I'm going to be adding some rhinestone embellishments to these bathroom accessories. I'm going to be doing a series of videos of things that I'm going to be making and decorating for my bathroom. I'm going to change it pretty much completely, and it's all going to be DIY, just things that you can do. Some of it is going to be apartment friendly or rental friendly. And here I'm just going to add like some decals. My whole little theme is going to be the Chanel drip logo, and I've done that on like a wine glass before, and I just think it's like really cute. So what you see here is a trash can that I purchased from Target, and this was only about $15, I believe, and I wiped everything off already. This, as you can see, you can put makeup brushes in this. It's like a little vanity organizer. You can put some body oils, makeup brushes, toothpaste, whatever you decide. Then of course this is a soap pump, and then here you can put your you could put Q-tips in this cute little acrylic jar. Most of this either came from Amazon or Target, so that's what you see here, Amazon and Target. And then if you want, you could put cotton balls in here or whatever you decide. And this is a little toothbrush holder. The one we had a suction cup on the back of it, but this one looks like it has screws, but I'll figure that out. I'm gonna put like some type of rhinestone adhesive back sheets that I have. I also have a link for those available as well. And this right here is a toilet brush holder. So I really just want to really dig into the detail here. I've been watching quite a few videos trying to get a feel for what I want to do, what type of direction I want to take, what type of colors I want to do. So the color I have in there now, and really all it was just the shower curtain matching my rugs. That was it in my garbage can. That was really it. Other than that, it was just a regular bathroom. I wanted to step it up, you guys. I wanted to like really take it to the next level. So I'm gonna decorate all of these here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with the trash can, because this is probably gonna take the longest. Now with my silhouette cameo, I've already cut out this.
This is what my silhouette cameo looks like on the program and actual machine.
Go with this trash can. And this is the strip I was telling you guys about. So if I wanted to, I could just cut some of this out, do a line here, do a line there. I could have glittered the whole thing, and I'm just throwing out some ideas to you guys, because if you're watching this video, you're probably interested in some ideas or some cute things to do to your bathroom. Because when I want to do something, I watch tons and tons of videos. Not to like exactly copy anybody, but definitely for some inspiration, or to do something I didn't see done in the videos that I watched. So what I didn't see was a trash can like really decked out, and that was something I wanted to do. Surprisingly enough, I'm going to be using E6000. I have liquid fusion. I like to save that for when I'm doing it for wine glasses. I figured I'm doing this trash can, I'll just go ahead and use some E6000. So sometimes I will dip back and forth, but make sure you do work in a very ventilated area. There will be other videos to come of what I'm doing to my bathroom. These are just the accessories. I'm going to be adding some peel and stick tile as well, so be on the lookout for that video. I'm going to be coloring the sink, so be on the lookout for that as well. Okay, so first you'll need to have a silhouette cameo or something of that sort to cut out a decal, like an 8x9 size decal. So what you want to do first is pull it off of the sheet and just kind of line it up the best way you can. Okay, get some type of old gift card or something, and just like really just give it a nice smoothing. Take your time. Peel that right off. Just like that. want to add any rhinestones, you of course don't have to, and you can do this in any color. This is why you guys should definitely invest in a silhouette cameo, because the possibilities are just endless. You can add this onto your trash can and leave it this way, and you can decide whatever color you want. Whatever color you decide. Then I have this wax pickup stick I'm going to be using. I will have a link available if you would like to purchase. I'm going to use these 5mm clear rhinestones and a few of these 4mm rhinestones as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started, and I don't have to fill it up all the way. I can just scatter it if I want to. I'll pretty much decide what route I'll take. I usually start at the top, but I just added the glue here. So just go ahead and watch me add.
And if you have a cutter, remember that you can do this in any color that you like. And if you don't want to add the rhinestones, it still looks good with just the logo on it. So I did use 5mm rhinestones throughout this whole project. You can use whatever size you like. Now I'm adding the details. Now I'm adding the decals onto the Q-tip and the cotton ball holders. And I'm just going to add the rhinestones to these as well. This project actually doesn't take that long, and it's just so nice to be able to customize things the way that you really want them and add that extra glam and bling. Now I'm working on my soap dispenser and the vanity organizer, and I think what I'll do is create a link and maybe cut some of these out, have like a bundle for people who are interested in this who don't have a cutter. So hopefully I'll have that available soon. So I'm just taking my time so I can go ahead and finish this. Like I said, this doesn't take long at all, and the outcome is so pretty.
I have already embellished all the other accessories. Now it's down to the toilet bowl brush cover here, and I'm not going to do the Chanel logo on it here. I just thought that would just not be, I just didn't want to. And then I have the little toothbrush cover holder here, and I didn't want to put it on there either, but I still wanted to tie in the whole idea of the bling look, the glam bling. So I have this right here. Now what I'm going to do with this, let's see here, I'm going to size this up to see how much it takes to go around in a full circle. The cool thing about this adhesive is you can kind of just cut it as you would like to cut it. So I'm gonna cut out a couple strips and I'm just gonna lay them on here. Probably just do a couple, one, maybe two, and that'll be that. But I just didn't want it to be bare. So I'm gonna start down here at this bottom area. And I'm just gonna make sure I cut and stay along in my line here, all the way across. Nice and easy. And nice and even. And it's not difficult to cut this at all. You just watch what line you're in and just line the scissors up and just keep going. Okay, so this is what I have so far. I cut out, and these are so itty bitty. These are like a SS4 or SS6. Very, very small, very tiny. These are on the level of, well, these are glass crystal stones. They're just very small and they're on an adhesive backing. You just pull that off and then there's some covering on the top of them. So these have quite a bit of pretty sparkle here. And again, I will have a link for these. And just regular scissors cuts it. It's no problem at all. So I could do that just like this. As you can see, I have my strips here. And again, these have adhesive on the back. So I'm just gonna take them and just make them go down nice and straight. Just like that. So that's what I'm gonna do now. And then you just pull the little plastic backing off and it's, ooh, even more sparklier. Look at that, you guys. And yes, this is a toilet bowl brush holder. And yes, I have it sparkling here. Yes, I do. I wanted it to be different and stand out and be glamorous, honey. Okay? Of course, you don't have to go this far and do this. I might be being a little extra with this, but that's what I'm going for. Extra. I'm going for extra. This is for my glitter girls out there who like the bling, bling, bling. So I'm just going to continue to add these on, so just keep watching. Not least, this is the toothpaste holder I was showing you before. And I'm just gonna add, I'm gonna add a strip of this.
Okay, so I wanted to cut out a size that was more exact to the top area of the toothbrush holder. So that's what I'm doing now. And then, of course, I did wipe this off with alcohol already. And then I'll just stick it right on. And here is the final result, and you guys, I am so in love with this set. It is so sparkly, it is so glamorous, it is so pretty. And I have not seen anyone do this. Maybe they did, but I haven't seen it. I just want to take everything to the next level. And if you're looking for inspiration for your bathroom, I really hope you receive some inspiration here. Thank you all for watching this video. This is going to be a series of videos of DIYs that I'm doing for my extreme DIY budget-friendly bathroom makeover. So be sure to check out those other videos that I'll be dropping. And thank you all for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, share it on Facebook, subscribe if you want to. If not, thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye. You guys, let me know which is your favorite from this whole set. For me, it's the wastebasket, but let me know what you guys think.